RAM prices are sky high in 2026, but gamers know cutting corners isn't an option. The latest DDR5 kits deliver blistering speed, lower latency, and the stability needed to keep up with today's demanding titles. If you're serious about performance, these 7 standout options prove that premium memory is worth every dollar. Few memory kits balance performance, design, and value, as well as the Trident Z5 Neo RGB DDR5-6000 C30. Out of the box, it delivers stable, reliable performance that will satisfy most buyers. Its premium exterior design adds visual appeal, though aesthetics are always subjective. Under the hood, G.Skill uses SK Hynix M-Die ICs, leaving room for enthusiasts to tweak and push performance further. Pricing for DDR5 remains volatile, with DDR5-6000 C30 kits starting around $97.97. At $117.99, the Trident Z5 Neo RGB sits slightly higher, but the combination of build quality, performance, and tuning potential makes the premium reasonable. Compatible with both AMD and Intel platforms, it proves itself as a formidable memory kit. Faster options will inevitably arrive, but for now, this kit strikes an excellent balance of speed, stability, and style, making it one of the best choices available today. High speed meets premium design with the G.Skill Trident Z5 RGB DDR5-6000 CL36 memory kit. This 32GB set includes 2 matched 16GB modules rated for DDR5-6000 at 1.35 volts with CL36-36-36-96 timings. Out of the box, modules boot at JEDEC default speeds, while Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD Expo profiles unlock the kit's full potential when enabled in BIOS. Built for stability, matched modules ensure flawless performance. Mixing kits are not recommended. Compatible with leading Intel 600, 700, 800 series chipsets and AMD 600, 800 series chipsets, it delivers reliable speed across modern platforms. Featuring G.Skill's signature Trident Z5 RGB heat spreader, it combines performance, reliability, and aesthetics. Perfect for gamers, creators, and enthusiasts, this kit offers the balance of speed, style, and stability needed to elevate any desktop build. For professionals handling massive workloads, whether content creation, software development, or data science, memory capacity often matters more than raw speed. This DDR5-5200 C38 kit delivers the stability and headroom needed for demanding applications, even though results may vary depending on processor and motherboard, since DDR5-5200 is technically overclocked. Current AMD and Intel platforms typically support DDR5-3600 and DDR5-4400 in 4 DIMM setups, so compatibility is key. Corsair prices the kit at $649.99, with an RGB version available for just $10 more. While the cost is significant, the value lies in its ability to handle memory-intensive tasks with ease. For users who prioritize capacity and reliability over chasing extreme speeds, this kit stands out as a dependable investment for modern desktop systems. For buyers who prefer sticking to JEDEC baseline speeds, this DDR5 4800 C40 kit offers a straightforward entry point. While the modules aren't flashy in appearance, they reveal impressive overclocking headroom thanks to Samsung's B-Die ICs. With careful tuning, speeds like DDR5 5800 C36 are achievable, though results will vary, making this kit a classic high-risk, high-reward option for enthusiasts. High-performance gaming and content creation demand memory that's fast, stable, and reliable. This 32GB DDR5 kit, 2 x 16 GB, delivers speeds up to 6400 MHz CL38, ensuring smoother gameplay and reduced latency. Every millisecond counts in competitive environments. The sleek black aluminum heat spreader features a unique origami-inspired design, combining cooling efficiency with modern aesthetics. Built for flexibility, the modules support both Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD Expo, making them compatible with Intel Core Ultra 2 13th, 14th Gen CPUs and AMD Ryzen 9000 series processors. Out of the box, they offer stable overclocking performance, while Micron's 45 years of memory expertise guarantees quality, reliability, and a limited lifetime warranty. Whether upgrading a gaming rig or powering professional workloads, Crucial Pro DDR5 RAM balances speed, style, and dependability, making it a smart investment for modern desktop builds. Designed for enthusiasts who demand speed and style, the Trident Z5 Royal Neo DDR5 6000 CL28 memory kit delivers premium performance for desktop PCs and gaming rigs. This 32GB kit includes 2 matched 16GB modules rated for DDR5 6000 at 1.40V with tight CL28 36, 36, 96 timings. Out of the box, modules boot at JEDEC default speeds, while AMD Expo profiles allow easy overclocking to reach the kit's full potential when enabled in BIOS. Built for stability, matched kits ensure flawless operation. Mixing kits is not recommended. Compatible with AMD X870, X670, B850, B840, and B650 platforms, the Royal Neo series combines cutting-edge performance with G.Skill's signature luxury design. High-speed performance meets striking design with the Team Group T-Force Delta RGB DDR5 6000 CL30 memory kit. This 32GB set, 2 x 16 GB, delivers 6000 MHz with CL30 36, 36, 76 timings, optimized for desktop PCs and gaming builds. Supporting Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD Expo enables one-click overclocking for stable, high-performance results on Intel 600-700 series chipsets and AMD platforms. The modules feature 120-degree ultra-wide RGB lighting with a smart IC controller, compatible with major lighting software for seamless customization. Built with power management ICs, PMICs, and a strengthened cooling design, they ensure efficient power usage and long-term stability. On-die ECC adds reliability, while high-quality ICs guarantee consistent performance. Backed by a lifetime warranty and Team Group's technical support, this kit combines speed, style, and dependability. In 2026, RAM may be expensive, but the right kit is priceless for gamers chasing peak performance. These 7 DDR5 standouts prove that speed, stability, and style are worth the investment, because when every frame counts, memory is the gear that sets champions apart.